Hi guys, my name is Harvansh and thank you for watching my other videos about SCCM tutorial. So today we are going to talk about the OSD where we are using the DISM command. So why we are using the DISM command? When we are having a default Vim file which is taken from the OS, like the operating system image we have, and from there we copied the WIM file. I mean, I'm not talking about the capturing the image, but when we take in a file from the OS image, let me check whether I have that or not. So might be, yeah, yes, I have. So I have mounted a one Windows file here, and you can go to source file. Yeah, so this is the install Vim file. So when you are taking a directly image from the operating system, where you downloaded it and you want to use that in your operating system deployment. So in this image might be it containing the multiple operating system types, like there will be the 3, 4 or other image. You can see in it when you try to install the operating system, it's showing the x64-bit or 32-bit or the other like enterprise edition, professional or the others. So you want to segregate that and want to use just only the one operating system in your image. So that's why we are using the DISM command. So let me show how we can do it. So this file is I have here. Let me show you with this file only. Okay, just let me copy, and I can copy this in my the D drive, in the D drive. Okay, so just I'm copying here. Okay, so let it copy it. Okay, so my file is copied here. So let me check it out now. What we can do to run the DISM. Let me go to the run. Sorry, on the CMD, run with the administrator, and I want to check. Hey, come on. Okay, so I want to check how many operating system versions are inside this Vim file. So I have copied this file because last time I tried it and I saved it. I can change the file. Let me go here and just take this path. Okay, OSD data install Vim. So this is something OSD data and insta install dot wim file. Okay, so let us check how many files are there. So inside this Vim file, we have only the one operating system. That index version is 1, and the size is this is the here. So it will show you in the byte. And if you are having the multiple types of operating system here, then it will show you the name, like it's showing the Windows 10 Enterprise Evolution. So it will show the all the names here. Now you want to separate from that list. Now I don't have the OS where it's containing the multiple operating system. So if you are having, then you can try this command. If it is failing, then you can text me. I will try to resolve your issue. Okay, so now the second thing, how you can get the only the one OS type from this Vim file. So now let us go with the next command, and how you can do that, just paste it. Okay, so just change the, now here what you have your source file, what we given there, OSD data. Inside install Vim, we have insta install dot vim, and the source path will be under the OSD data, and it should be in the share path. And this is the command you have to use. You can make a note and you can run in your system. So now let me put the enter. Okay, so now it extracting only the one. I put it the index number one, so index you can put it here. As I told you, if you are having the multiple index, so here index number will be there. So whichever OS you like, you can put it the index number, and based on the index number it will take the OS. Okay, so now it start exporting, and here you can see this is the name came with the Win2004. So I have this image Win2004, and now it extract completed, exporting the image, and it's the 100%. So now it will stop automatically. So that's how you can use the DISM command. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. So this thing you can use in your operating system deployment. So guys, thank you so much.